For me, mixing a project starts the same way every time. I always create a basic balance of all my tracks. By balance, I mean a basic understanding of how the mix almost sounds, just without any processing, compression, or time based effects. To begin doing this, I have to make sure that my project is set up correctly. What I first do is open the console view and immediately switch the entire view to narrow all strips. You can see that because we simplified the names of the audio tracks, they're still perfectly visible in this view. The next thing I'll do is use the Quick Groups feature inside of SONAR to make all of my audio tracks turn all the way down to negative infinity. The Quick Groups feature is very useful when you do not have a control surface and you're mixing with a mouse. The way it works is that when you select two audio tracks and hold Control, these two audio tracks are temporarily grouped. You can adjust fader moves, pans, mutes, solos, and everything else. So we're going to select all of the drum tracks and set them to their own bus. We'll do that by selecting the drum tracks, holding Control, and clicking on the output. Then we'll select New Stereo Bus. Rename that bus D All for Drums All. Next, the bass, guitar, and vocals. Now what we've done is isolate all of the different instruments into their own groups. And we can attenuate the entire instrument group with a single fader. Next, we're going to assign all of these buses to their own 2-bus for master processing. Right-clicking inside the bus pane and selecting Insert New Stereo Bus will allow us to do that. And to rearrange this so that it's right before the master, go to our track view, use Shift-B to open up the bus section, and just click and drag this bus to where it belongs. We'll rename this 2-bus. 2-bus allows us to isolate the entire mix from other tracks that we drop in here, like references or other things that need to be unaffected by the master processing of our mix. Now we'll just assign all of these buses to the 2-bus. Now inside of SONAR, we have a proper mixing setup to get you started mixing a balance.